Question 1. Where is the deepest mine in the world located? A. South America. B. South Africa. C. South India. D. South Australia. Answer B. South Africa. Question 2. The depth of the deepest mine in South Africa is A. 1 kilometer. B. 2 kilometers. C. 3 kilometers. D. 4 kilometers. Answer D. 4 kilometers. Question 3. The uppermost layer of the Earth's surface is called A. The crust. B. The brust. C. The roads. D. The forest. Answer A. The crust. Question 4. What is the radius of the Earth? A. 3,671 kilometers. B. 7,163 kilometers. C. 6,371 kilometers. D. 1,736 kilometers. Answer C. 6,371 kilometers. Question 5. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the Earth's crust is called A. Rock. B. Road. C. Sediment. D. None of these. Answer A. Rock. Question 6. The sediments are transported and deposited by A. Wind. B. Water. C. Wind and water. D. None of these. Answer C. Wind and water. Question 7. The process of transformation of the rock from one form to another is known as A. Road cycle. B. Food cycle. C. Rock cycle. D. All of these. Answer C. Rock cycle. Question 8. Which rock is the molten magma made up of? A. Igneous. B. Metamorphic. C. Sedimentary. D. None of these. Answer A. Igneous. Question 9. What is the Latin term of igneous? A. Ignis. B. Sedimentum. C. Metamorphose. D. None of these. Answer A. Ignis. Question 10. Rocks which contain fossils are called A. Metamorphic rocks. B. Igneous rocks. C. Core. D. Sedimentary rocks. Answer D. Sedimentary rocks. Question 11. Blank. Minerals are found in the continental masses A. Silica and alumina. B. Silica and magnesium. C. Nickel and iron. D. Silica and iron. Answer A. Silica and alumina. Question 12. There are three major types of rocks except A. Metamorphic rocks. B. Sedimentary rocks. C. Igneous rocks. D. Mantle rocks. Answer D. Mantle rocks. Question 13. Which type of rocks is called primary rocks? A. Fossils. B. Igneous. C. Metamorphic. D. Sedimentary. Answer B. Igneous. Question 14. When magma from deep below forces its way up to Earth's surface, it is called A. Sand. B. Marble. C. Sediments. D. Volcano. Answer D. Volcano. Question 15. Sandstone is made from A. Grains of soil. B. Grains of plants. C. Grains of water. D. Grains of sand. Answer D. Grains of sand. Question 16. The Taj Mahal is made of A. White marble. B. Black marble. C. Red marble. D. Yellow marble. Answer A. White marble. Question 17. Fossils are the remains of dead blank A. Plants. B. Animals. C. Both are and B. D. None of the above. Answer C. Both are and B. Question 18. Lithosphere is A. Mantle. B. Magma. C. Core. D. Crust. Answer D. Crust. Question 19. Blank. Rocks are hardware. Blank. Rocks are soft. A. Sedimentary. Lava. B. Sedimentary. Magma. C. Sedimentary. Igneous. D. Igneous. Sedimentary. Answer D. Igneous. Sedimentary. Question 20. The innermost layer of the Earth is A. Mantle. B. Seema. C. Crust. D. Core. Answer D. Core. Question 21. What happens when igneous and sedimentary rocks go under heat and pressure? A. They change into graphite. B. They change into fossils. C. They change into metamorphic rocks. D. They change into minerals. Answer C. They change into metamorphic rocks. Question 22. Silica and magnesium are the constituents of A. Rock. B. Inner core. C. Outer core. D. Mantle. Answer D. Mantle. Question 23. Rocks roll down, crack, and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. These smaller particles are called A. Sediments. B. Sand. C. Piece. D. Units. Answer A. Sediments. Question 24. Thinnest layer of the Earth is A. crust. B. Knife. C. Core. D. Mantle. Answer A. Crust. Question 25. The main mineral constituents of the continental mass are A. Silica and alcohol. B. Silver and alcohol. C. Silver and alumina. D. Silica and alumina. Answer D. Silica and alumina. Question 26. Like an onion, the Earth is made up of several concentric layers, one inside the other. What is the uppermost layer of Earth called? A. Mantle. B. Core. C. Crust. D. Magma. Answer C. Crust. Question 27. The remains of the dead plants and animals trapped in the layers of rocks are called A. Rocks. B. Conventional. C. Fossils. D. Minerals. Answer C. Fossils. Question 28. Which layer is having a radius of about 3,500 kilometers? A. Seal. B. Crust. C. Outer core. D. Mantle. Answer C. Outer core. Question 29. The molten magma cools down deep inside the Earth's crust. Solid rocks so formed are called A. Intrusive sedimentary rocks. B. Intrusive metamorphic rocks. C. Extrusive igneous rocks. D. Intrusive igneous rocks. Answer D. Intrusive igneous rocks. Question 30. Red Fort is made up of A. Red sandstone. B. Black sandstone. C. Red marble. D. Black marble. Answer A. Red sandstone. Question 31. The domain of water is referred to as A. Lithosphere. B. Ecosystem. C. Biosphere. D. Hydrosphere. Answer D. Hydrosphere. Question 32. Which of the following is biotic? A. Plants. B. Land. C. Water. D. Soil. Answer A. Plants. 33. Deccan Plateau is made up of A. Clay. B. Granite. C. Basalt. D. None of the above. Answer C. Basalt. 34. The innermost layer of core is made of A. Nickel. B. Silica and alumina. C. Silica and magnesium. D. Both A and B. Answer A. Nickel and iron. 35. What is meaning of igneous? A. Air. B. Water. C. Lime. D. Fire. Answer D. Fire. 36. Igneous rock and sedimentary rock changes into A. Intrusive igneous rock. B. Extrusive igneous rock. C. Metamorphic rock. D. Igneous rock. Answer C. Metamorphic rock. 37. Depth of the mantle layer of the Earth. A. 2,900 kilometers. B. 3,000 kilometers. C. 3,100 kilometers. D. 3,200 kilometers. Answer A. 2,900 kilometers. 38. In search, oil engineers have dug a hole about A. 3 kilometers. B. 4 kilometers. C. 5 kilometers. D. 6 kilometers. Answer D. 6 kilometers. 39. Igneous rock are made up of A. The solid magma melt and it becomes solid. B. The cool magma molten, it becomes solid. C. The molten magma cools, it becomes solid. D. Solid magma molten, it becomes solid. Answer C. The molten magma cools, it becomes solid. 40. Igneous rocks are called primary rocks. Bequace. A. All other rocks are formed from igneous rock. B. These are important for human being. C. These rock produces all elements. D. None of the above. Answer A. All other rocks are formed from igneous rock. 41. Gold, petroleum and coal are the examples of what? A. Rock. B. Fossils. C. Minerals. D. Core. Answer C. Fossils. 42. What is the innermost layer of the Earth? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Core. D. None of these. Answer C. Core. 43. What rocks are known as primary rocks? A. Igneous rocks. B. Sedimentary rocks. C. Metamorphic rock. D. None of the above. Answer A. Igneous rocks. 44. What is the percentage of the volume of the Earth? A. 1. B. 15. C. 89. D. 20. Answer A. 1. 45. What is the use of rocks? A. Building materials. B. As a source of metals. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Answer C. Both A and B. 46. Why Earth is called a dynamic planet. A. Continuously undergoes changes. B. Never changes. C. Is very large in size. D. None of these. Answer A. Continuously undergoes changes. 47. What is rock? A. Mass of mineral matter. B. Artificial matter. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Answer A. Natural mass of mineral matter. 48. What are the layer of the Earth? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Core. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. 1. Lava is the molten magma from of the Earth's surface. Answer. Interior. 2. Leica. The Earth is made up of layers. Answer. Onion, concentric. 3. Crust is about kilometer on the continental mass and kilometer on the ocean floor. Answer. 35 and 5. 4. The mantle makes up blank percent of the Earth by volume. Answer. 57%. 5. Core has a radius of about kilometer and has very high temperature and answer. 3500. Pressure. 6. Limestone under excessive heat and pressure changes into answer. Marble. 7. Gold, petroleum and coal are example of answer. Minerals. 8. The crust layer of the Earth is answer. Thinnest layer. 9. Red Fort is made up of red. Answer. Sandstone. 10. The Taj Mahal is made up of white. Answer. Marble. 11. The remains of the dead plants and animals trapped in the layer of rocks are called answer. Fossils. 12. The crust forms only percent if the volume of the Earth. Answer. 0.5%. 13. The deepest mine in the world is in the answer. South Africa. 14. The main mineral constituents of the continental mass are and answer. Silica and alumina. 15. The innermost layer is the core with a radius of about kilometer. Answer. 3500. 16. Igneous rocks are called answer. Primary rock. State whether the given statements are true or false. 1. Crust is the thickest of all the layers. Answer. False. 2. Core is the innermost layer of the Earth. Answer. True. 3. Mantle extends up to the depth of 2,900 kilometers. Answer. True. 4. The loose sediments are hardened to form metamorphic rocks. Answer. False. 5. Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt. Answer. True. 6. Fossils are remains of dead plants and animals. Answer. True.